The Venusfilter 12033030 replacement for Bosch Water Filter is a real lifesaver. This 3-pack ensures you always have a fresh filter ready. It truly replaces Bosch filter models like BORPLFTR55 and 11025825. Also, it fits BORPLFTR55 and WFC100MF perfectly. Furthermore, it works with B36CT80SNS and B36CL80ENS refrigerators. This Venusfilter replaces Bosch Filter 3-pack is a smart choice. Moreover, it's like a shield for your water. It guards against impurities. Therefore, your drinks taste much better. This pack offers great value. This Venusfilter replaces Bosch Filter 3-pack, delivers crisp, clean water. It's a noticeable improvement. Imagine your tap water transforming. It becomes like mountain spring water. Consequently, your ice cubes will sparkle. Your morning coffee will taste richer. Even your cooking will benefit. The filter removes chlorine and odors. It also tackles other contaminants. Indeed, it makes a significant difference. Furthermore, installation is incredibly simple. You just twist it in. Then, you enjoy pure water. Overall, it's a small change, but it yields big results. In conclusion, the Venusfilter 12033030 is highly recommended. This Venusfilter replaces Bosch Filter 3-pack is a fantastic investment. It's like giving your family a health boost plus. It saves you money. You avoid buying bottled water. Instead, you get clean water on demand. Therefore, it's both convenient and economical. Additionally, it contributes to less plastic waste. Finally, it's a wise choice for any home. You won't regret this purchase. Pros: fit our model and works perfectly. Easy to install. Work like a charm. Simple. Easy and done in under 5 minutes. Filter lasted 2 years. Replacement has stickers. Great price. Came on time. Securely packaged. Correct model to fit. Water has no taste. Did not seem to alter the ice. Worth the money. Best tasting filtered water. Less than half the cost. Perfect fit. Great water. Tastes pure. Great and well filtered. Cons: must store it. Weird taste in the beginning. Maybe didn't discard enough water. Took about a gallon of water for it to be ready. Discard a little bit more next time. Features: brand: Venusfilter. Model: 12033030. Item: water filter. Replaces Bosch. Compatible with BORPLFTR55. Compatible with 11025825. Compatible with BORPLFTR55. Compatible with WFC100MF. Compatible with B36CT80SNS. Includes 3 filters. The Venusfilter 12033030 is a pack of 3 water filters designed to replace Bosch water filters. These filters work with several Bosch models, including BORPLFTR55, 11025825, BORPLFTR55, WFC100MF, and B36CT80SNS. The Venusfilter 12033030 is a great replacement for Bosch water filters like the BORPLFTR55 and BORPLFTR55. Fitting models such as the B36CT80SNS and B36CL80ENS. It's easy to install, taking less than 5 minutes. And each filter can last up to 2 years. Users found the water tasted pure and great, with no weird taste in the ice. While there might be a slight taste initially, it goes away after discarding about a gallon of water. The filters come securely packaged with stickers, arrive on time, and are a perfect fit at a great price, costing less than half of the original.